Hello everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy, and today I've been up Tesco's and Aldi. I'm going to do a compare today. So let me show you what I've got. Right, so what I've got: fish fingers and waffles. Right, Aldi's waffles were 85 pence. The proper Birdseye ones were £2.25. The fish fingers from Aldi's was £1.45 for 10. The proper Birdseye ones were £2.25 for 10. So there's a lot of money in difference. I think about £2 in difference or something. I'm going to do it in the Aldi air fryer. The good old Aldi thing there. Brilliant. Well, so first things first, I'm going to do the waffles first. So let's get them open. I mean, you get 12 in the Aldi's, and you only get 10 in the Birdseye. So I wonder if there is any difference. So first things first, let's get the air fryer on to warm up. If you haven't got one of these, if I was you, I'd think of getting one. For the money, £40, they're well worth it. Let's warm that up for 5 minutes. Right, I've had that warming up for a couple of minutes. Now, according to these, the Aldi ones anyway, cooked from frozen, 6 minutes. See that? I don't know what the Birdseye ones say. Toast them in 5. But say we're going to do it in the air fryer. So I don't know how long they're going to take. So let's have a look. Let's open the Aldi one first. Well, there's the Aldi. Let's try the Birdseye. And there's the Birdseye. Difference. To be fair, the Aldi one's thicker. Look. The Aldi one's thicker. But the Birdseye one's a bit longer. Only a fraction though. So thickness v length. Right, let's get them in. I'm going to put the Aldi one on the left and the Birdseye on the right. Right, so I'm going to stick them on 200 degrees. I'm going to stick them on for 5 minutes. And we'll check. Right, there we go. So we'll have a look in a minute when they're 5 minutes time. Right, that's just finished. Let's have a look. I haven't even looked at them, I haven't turned them over or nothing. Okay. Yes. The Birdseye one's gone a lot more crispier. Than the Aldi one. The Aldi one seems to have shrunk a little bit, to be fair. I'm going to put them in for another couple of minutes, get them a bit crispier. And on for another 3 minutes. And then we'll have a look. Right, that's just finished now. So let's have a look. Oh, there you go, look at that. See that? Birdseye one's got a lot crispier, look. So I'm getting mixed up. The Birdseye one's a lot crispier. There's the Birdseye. See? But that was double the price of that. And that's crispy, to be fair. That just looks a lot better. Okay, onto the fish fingers now. Right, Aldi ones first. Let's open them up. That's it. I mean, battered fish finger. So, now the Birdseye one, the big brand. Let's try them. And there's the Birdseye. It's a lot lighter in colour. Let's compare. So notice the colour difference. And it's a fraction wider. Virtually the same size, like length. Oh no, maybe fraction wider. No, maybe they're exactly the same. So how long do these go in for? That's the question. I ain't even got my glasses on, so I can't see properly. 12 minutes in the oven for the Aldi. What's this one? 12 minutes as well in the oven. So I reckon 8-9 minutes in here. The same again. Aldi on the left. Birdseye on the right. There we go. Oh, don't get them mixed up. 200 degrees again. Oh. And I'll do it for 10 and we'll check after 5. Right, we're nearly on 5 minutes, I think. Should be changing any second now. Then I'll flip them over. There you go, 5 minutes. Let's have a look. Okay. The Aldi one's leaking. Look, you can see at the bottom. The Birdseye one's not. So let's flip them over, if I can. This is going to be boiling hot. Always a bit of leakage in that one. The Birdseye one turns over pretty easy. The Aldi one's a bit floppy. Can't see that, can you? Okay, let's put them back in for another 5 minutes. Anyway. And then we'll see when it's done.
Somebody can smell food.
What? Smell food? Can you smell food? You can't have your fingers. You can't, no, you can't have your fingers. No. Oh. No, you can't. Right, that's on its last minute now. So I don't know whether it's too long or what. Now we've done fish fingers in here. We'll soon find out. You like your fish fingers crispy though, don't you? So, but say, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know whether you got an Aldi air fryer. Or you got any air fryer. Done. Let's have a look. Oh. Oh. Splits a bit, look. Especially the Aldi one on the left there. Looks a nice colour though. Oh, and it's stuck to the bottom. Maybe I've done it a bit long. No, I've got it. No. Try again. There we go. There's the Aldi one. But this one hasn't stuck at all, the Birdseye. Put it on there a minute. So there's the Birdseye one. Lovely and crispy. Split a bit to get the back, but I say that might be in a minute too long, I don't know. Never done it before. But it's crispy and it's quite firm as well. Which is how you want fish fingers. The Aldi one's a little bit soggy. But it's firm. But it's a little bit soggy. It's not like there's more fish water in there or something. But there we go. Birdseye, Aldi. I mean, that was like £2 more, I think. I think that, what was that, £1.50 £2.50 and £2.25, £3.75 for them. You know, these were £2. So £1.75 more. So let's have a taste. Right then, there we go. Birdseye, Aldi. So let's give it a try. Cut it up first. Do the Aldi one first. Let me cut it in half. There. Well, we do the Aldi one first. It's nice and white. It's got a nice crisp to it. Now the Birdseye. Is there any difference in them? Birdseye's a little bit fishier. But what do you expect for an extra £1? Now the waffle. Aldi waffle first. Okay, that's quite nice. That's quite nice. Now the Birdseye, so the Birdseye's a lot browner. I mean, you see the difference. Birdseye's a lot softer. Would I say that's worth an extra £2 then? Than that? No way. Absolutely no way. I think it was £1.75 extra, I think. Well, there we go. I'll take the 175 and go for the Aldi. 100%. Bit fishier. The Birdseye on the fish finger. And it's a bit softer. But it's not worth £2 extra. No way. 175 I think it was, or whatever it was. But anyway, I am the Old Food Guy. Like and subscribe. Leave us a comment. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Dog's looking at me for fish fingers. She's not getting any. See you later. Bye bye.